quick and easy Christmas DIY number 2. I made this. Made it quick too. But if I can make it, you can make it too. Let's go. Next project. Yay. For this project, what we need is 1 by 4 by 12. Okay. This is what you use to hang. It's called a sawtooth hanger. So you put on the back. This is a little embellishment that I found at Dollar Tree, and I found a lot of little uses for this, but I think it's so pretty. But it's a piece Christmas ornament. And then this is the type of ribbon I chose. Your wire, of course, for your ribbon. And then I got 3 sprigs of the garland. This is the Dollar Tree garland. Okay, 3 little pieces. And then pine cones. These are in a package of pine cones from Dollar Tree as well. And now, this came from Walmart. It's just a spray snow, and this came from Walmart. It's just the bigger berries, and they're just, you know, a little bit fuller body and a little bit more expensive. Not much, at $3 and something. And then, of course, you're going to need your white acrylic paint. Okay? Those are the basics. Let's go to the next step. Next step. Here's what we did with what we have. Okay, as far as your 1 by 4 by 12, you're going to sand it down, and when I want a smooth look, I just take the edges off with the sanding block before I base coat it. And you base coat it white. Okay, the prep for your pieces. And then for the garland and the pine cone, I sprayed it with the snow. Okay, takes a little while for it to dry, so I put it in front of a fan. And then I made a double loop bow. Okay. And of course just pull that sprig off, and then I just took the little hanging part off of this ornament, the little loop, cut it off with scissors because it's just plastic. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is measure the back of the board to the middle point, and with your little houndstooth hanger, there's a little raised part in the middle, and so you press that down even with the mark that you have on the back, the middle point, and just knock that in. And you have your hanger. Just like that. Next step. Okay, guys. You're going to take your snow-covered garland and start gluing it down. Okay, you got 3 pieces, and you're going to kind of fan them out. Let's see what kind of picture you got. Let's move this over a little bit closer so you can see. You see that better? Yeah. Fan them out. Top of the glue to make them, you know, give them a full look. Just stick them on. Kind of, ooh, there we go. Okay, the next thing that you are going to glue down is going to be your bow, okay? Okay, and that's going to take a minute to hold that down, because this is going to be a thick embellishment here, guys. But it's well worth it because it comes out so cute. Okay. But it's a quick one. Okay, now, next step, you've got your, now this is kind of thick here, so actually I'm going to cut that off because it'll stick up too far if you don't, because that way you're going to leave room for your pine cone. So go ahead and get that glued down, and you're going to share that glue with the pine cone. Okay, so I would add just a little more on top, and then get your pine cone on there. And with this whole deal here, the thickness of it, I would hold it for quite a while. So I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to go ahead and glue down your main, well, kind of not really your main. Your main is your little bow setup. But let's go ahead and glue our piece on here, because that's pretty much the last step before I show you the finished product. Okay, so let's get it on there, center it really good, hold that down, and let's have a look at the finished product. Alright guys, you did it again. Here's your piece. You made a lovely, lovely, quick Christmas DIY peace sign. I love it. I think it's so pretty. Alright, thanks for joining me, and let's go on to the next project. And until then, see you later.